Nagbabalik ang BTV Sports. Makakasama natin live via Zoom si Sheila Salaysay, ang admin at manager, at si Randy Palomari, ang sports director, para bigyan tayo ng updates sa magaganap na Asian Basketball Tournament. Magandang umaga sa inyong dalawa.
Magandang umaga po, Mami and Sir Daryl. Good morning po. Ma'am Sheila.
Hi, Daryl. Hi, Sir Randy. Good morning po.
Good morning. Ako, red na red kayo dyan, ah.
Hindi kami nag-usap dito, ah.
So anyways, I'll fire off the first question. Ano ba yung dapat asahan dyan sa Asian Basketball Tournament sa Pasig, Iloilo?
Okay, ako na muna, Sir Randy. So, yeah, this leg is more interesting and exciting dahil mas maraming bagong mukha pagdating sa basketball, whether it's Filipino or foreign player or Phil-Am. So, nagkaroon kasi ng parang tryouts in the US previous to this week to get more faces, and of course, para tong basketball sa Pilipinas na giving more opportunities sa mga ballers na hindi nakakaabot ng NBA or any other international professional basketball leagues, or yung mga ballers na nandito sa Pilipinas na hindi rin na nabibigyan ng pagkakataon sa ibang basketball leagues dito sa bansa natin. So it's an international professional league with a lot of new players to look out for and new teams, I may say.
Speaking of new players and new teams, meron pa kayong patikim dyan kung sino yung mga maaasahang imports dyan sa Asian Basketball Tournament?
The interesting part about this is yung iba hindi pa nakakapaglaro dito sa Pilipinas, pero sa bansa nila medyo kilala na sila. Well, you have in this leg, meron tayo mga abangan na naglaro din for EASL. Nandiyan si Jenning Long, of course, one of them, very kilalang foreign player. Meron din dito sa iba na for Thailand, na kilala din sa Thai. Medyo mahirap i-pronounce yung name nila. Hindi ko matandaan ng very fluent, ng maayos. Sa Pinoy players naman, meron dyan si David Diaz na we saw him play previously. Marami pa actually. Mamaya pag naalala ko.
Ito naman tayo kay Sir Randy. Of course, pag nabanggit yung Pasig City, Iloilo, ito isa sa mga destination talaga pagdating sa basketball. Napakaraming basketball events na ganap po dyan. Pero Sir Randy, bakit po Pasig City, Iloilo yung napili po nating host po nitong Asian Basketball Tournament?
I-rephrase ko yung question, sorry. Bakit kami nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng Pasig City to host ng Asian Tournament? Sir Randy?
Well, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po kami sa trust and confidence nyo kasi kung isipin natin, pangatlo na ngayon. We have the first, the second, and recently, mag-start tayo mamayang hapon ng third league natin, yung sa Asian Tournament. Now, I think Pasig City was selected to be the host of this Asian Tournament because first, very passionate po yung taga-Pasig dito pagdating po sa laro ng basketball. Nakikita nyo naman sa dalawa nating league kung gaano kapuno, umaapaw yung tao dito. Pangalawa, it's because Pasig City is a place wherein recognized as one of the place na kung saan makapag-host po tayo ng national at international na mga laro, wherein Asian Tournament is one of them. Pangatlo, well, the arena itself is one of the best in the whole Panay Island. We have an air-conditioned, fully air-conditioned. We have built-in lid wall connected po sa ating arena. We have places inside wherein lahat po makakakita po. At dito po sa Pasig City, we call it is the heart, sweet city in the heart of Panay dahil po sa accommodation po namin. Siguro, Ma'am Sheila can say something about kung paano natin in-accommodate po through the leadership of our City Mayor, Attorney Stephen Palmares, yung lahat na teams na pumupunta dito. Kaya sigurado po, baka hindi lang ito pangatlo, baka may pang-apat pa, Ma'am Sheila.
Yes. Well, to follow up dun sa answer ni Sir Randy and Darren, sobrang very accommodating sila pagdating sa amin, starting from the welcoming party sa airport, pagdating sa accommodation, pagdating sa venue itself, everything is polished, everything is well coordinated, at saka alagang-alaga kami. Kaya naman, hindi kami nagsasawang magpasalamat at bumalik dito sa Pasig. Pasig is actually in Iloilo. So, alam mo yun, mas maraming tao yung nakakapunta sa Pasig just to watch the game. Yun lang naman.
Nako, abangan natin yung Asian tournament. At of course, abangan natin yung mga upcoming games dahil for sure may mga NBA caliber players tayong abangan sa Asian tournament. So again, thank you so much, admin manager ng Asian tournament, Ms. Sheila Salaysay, and of course, Sir Randy, ang sports director po ng Asian tournament. And good luck po sa staging po nitong tournament na ito sa Pawa, Iloilo.
Good luck and see you soon.
Pwede bang pwede bang mabigyan ng opportunity si Sir Randy magpa-shoutout at magpasalamat?
Sure, go ahead, Sir Randy.
Go ahead, Sir Randy.
Well, maraming salamat sa pag-imbita niyo po dito po sa amin para mabigyan po ng pansin yung Pasig City. Well, una sa lahat, I would like to extend my thanks, of course, to Almighty for giving me the chance to speak in behalf of the City of Pasig. Of course, sa mabutihin namin, the young, dynamic, and sportsman City Mayor of the City of Pasig, Honorable Attorney Stephanie Palmares, to our City Vice Mayor Elisir Chavez, to the Undersecretary who is very supportive also of our sports program, DARS Undersecretary Jessry Palmares, sa lahat ng mga city officials, department heads, LGU family at buong Pasinhons. Maraming salamat po sa trust and confidence, hoping na yung pangatlong host namin ng Asian Tournament magbigay po aliw, hindi lang sa Pasig City, but sa buong Pilipinas and to the international community. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, ako naman. Sorry, habol ako. Ayan, syempre gusto kong magpasalamat sa Pasig City kay Sir Randy and of course kay Attorney, of course, Stephen Palmares, sa City Mayor of Pasig City. Syempre, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa Pasig City LGU kay Miss May Pohod, Buena Flor, kay Miss Jen Torilla, kay Mr. Rodolfo Villaruz, Game Time Sports Organizer. Siya po ang aming partner since the beginning. Nudge Productions, Mr. Nori Uy, syempre Executive Director of the Asian Tournament, si Sir Jack Ruby, Games and Amusements Board. Ang isa pa sa dapat nyong abangan dahil sa third leg namin, merong home team ang Pasig City. So isa yan sa mga talagang exciting this leg. And of course, Jordan Lewis, if you're familiar with him, he will play for one foreign team, Macau Black Bears. Abangan nyo yan, naglaro rin yan sa EASL. Macau Black Bears, Long Lions, we have Hong Kong Mavanta Black Dragons, we have Aces, back-to-back champions. Naglaro dyan si Sam Deguara. What else? We have Calmado, it's a new team. We have Phuket from Thailand. So definitely 8 teams ang abangan nyo. At syempre, if you want to see more action, please subscribe and like the Facebook page of the Asian Tournament and Pasig City. Diyan nyo mapapanood lahat ng games. Ayan, thank you so much!
Alright!
Thank you po.
Nakakuha si Sheila. Ang dami nun.
Pero abangan natin yan yung mga upcoming games.
May permiso.
Update na lang tayo, Ms. Sheila, para sa mga upcoming games ng Asian Tournament. And good luck po, Sir Randy and Ms. Sheila, for the Asian Tournament. We'll be watching. Abangan natin yan sa PTV Sports.